Yo, where you go? Let's go. Very cool, like a ice. Whoa, man, to lick up that. Good holy spring water. Fuck. Free up your system.
The white bag up there, so. So high the river going on.
Wow.
I don't know if it's just the seasonal thing, but every time I've been to your house in the plantain garden, it's pretty low. Like, it's not really heavy. Does it get wild sometimes too?
Wow, bad.
Yeah. To the point where it's even hard to find a place to wash your clothes or have a bathe or anything.
And that river, it take all 2-3 months to clear.
So if it gets heavy, it's like that for a while.
Yeah, man. Nobody can bathe on it. Nobody can wash on it.
Oh, man.
No.
What do people do?
Well, they go on the next one with that right there.
Oh, okay.
All folks go on the next one.
Mm-hmm. What's the other river called at your house?
We call it Iron River, but Twitter comes straight from the Blue Mountain. That's why it keep cold, so that's why I like it.
Yeah, it's really refreshing.
Blue Mountain that I come from, you know. Iron River, you know, you went into Iron River. Blue Mountain that I come from, man. And if you got hills, you know, and last, don't go up on the river, go down. If you're going on mountain and last, you know. You don't go which part we're going, you know, coming, you go up, you go down. Because the river must launch you out in our district, you know. Yeah, man. The river must launch you out in our district there.
Safety first.
They just always go down on the district. Go down on the river. It'll drop you straight out of some farmer town or some farmer there, you know. You're welcome to Rasta. We get some of this rafting tour, you know. I enjoy some of this cool, nice breeze. You can chuck off in the water. The more you chuck off in the water, when the good weather, you get some good color.
How am I looking so far?
Yeah, good color. Yeah, the more you jump in the water. And all those people who like colors, you must come on the Rio Grande Valley to get some good color. And a raft. Mokko will take you down in the river, you know. No problem.
Now that we know where it is.
No problem, leave it at yard, no fuckery. You just enjoy the nice river ride, you know. Going down there, see a lot of fish, see a lot of Jamaican with ice blue box. You can get a red stripe right there.
Yes,
you can get ganja right there. You can get food right there. You want chewing gum, you get it right there. You want rum cream, you got it right there. Yeah. Yeah, man. You want vodka, you want a vodka, you get it same place. Just cheers up and boost up. Just come take the good sunshine, the atmosphere, you know. Nice today. With Rasta. Yeah. So quiet and smooth. Clear crystal like Hyla. Big up. Everywhere all the Caribbean, please welcome on this good Valley River today.
Rio Grande, baby.
Yeah, River Grande, baby. River Grande Sweet Lips.
That's a good one. Come visit my reptile, Sweet Lips.
Yeah, River Grande Valley, man.
That's cool.
Ah, you're doing laundry over there.
What's
yeah,
up?
You can do some laundry for us. Why not? Why not? Oh, I use a man. I got the Empress over there. How are your kids them? Oh, take care of your body. Slave man plant all them breadfruit there. How you think it can come there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yarding up there so Rasta man. Yarding up there so too. No, yeah. Oh, so to me I see breadfruit tree, you know. Oh. People live in there.
The breadfruit tree has some really obvious shaped leaves. It's easy to tell the breadfruit tree.
Yellow and green, cut shaped like ganja leaf.
That's the breadfruit.
Yeah. Rio Grande Valley are the best. Come and check it out, man. The man a go cross and can't live without the natural wood, you know, to cook food, you know. Man, road them go cross. Man have to work hard. See like a bun, him a go burn them like a coal wood or what. That did nothing to him, eh? I just want to thing when I give you the shell when you have to go up on the river. And then this, you know.
Oh.
May have one piggy bird in here, you know.
The horse-eye one? No.
Carcoon, the brown one, the brown flat one. With
Oh,
like
yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that's the tree this Matthew.
Okay, yeah, I remember. I've seen them. I see them in the riverbed sometimes.
May have one piggy bird in to put key ring business. And them that no. You see over there in the place there? I take them up, you know. The carcoon. All over them place there. So there the place look. No tree you not see, you know, just the
it's
tree
just
there
all the plants on top. And it's called a
carcoon, man. The tree there under but then can't come up because carcoon will cover them over.
Yeah, you can't tell what tree is underneath. It looks like one giant bush.
You know.
Wow. What a weird looking plant. Yeah, when you look at it all together, it looks crazy.
Yeah. Man, plant hitting everywhere, man. And them place there, you know, soldier, man can't live out of them place there, you know. Oh. Look like a weird jungle, you know. You have a nice flowers in the jungle, man. Compare it, you know. It's a nice one in the jungle when you grow on them, man. Yeah, breadfruit did it too, side of it, breadfruit down here, so.
It's so cool how you can tell the trees from so far away. You don't have to be anywhere near it and you can tell what's what.
I can see it, man. Jungle, man. Man in the jungle, Matthew. Rio Grande Valley always be a nice place, man. To raft on, you know.
Now, should I be worried about dipping my toe in the water? Because are the crocodiles or alligators? Is that exist here?
No.
In Jamaica in general, though, is there anything? Okay.
Maybe I'm gonna never
Fish! Oh, fish! No. Because you know, if you're doing this in Costa Rica or something,
you get fucked.
They're just full of them. There's a huge place, Rio Tarcoles, where you watch them from the bridge. They're all down beneath you, huge ones.
Okay.
And sometimes drunk people think they can go swim in the river and get eaten. And when there's a video on YouTube. Okay, if you're on YouTube, watch this. Rio Tarcoles photographer. A guy's on the riverbank going real close to the water's edge to get photographs of the crocodiles in the river. And all the people are behind him are warning him, but he's so busy looking at his camera and he's turning around back and being like, fuck off, like I'm trying to shoot something. Meanwhile, the crocodile's creeping up the riverbank right at him. And he's going, hey, I'm taking a picture, and not paying. All of a sudden, the thing lunges at him just as he notices, and he's like, ah! Does this crazy scramble backwards, and just escapes death.
Okay.
That's why YouTube's the best. You get all the craziness.
You like this?
Yeah.
Wow, yo.
What are we, is this a thumbs up, or is this, or should we do the, unruly?
No.
Yeah. What's the Rasta one you do, like this or like this? Together? This one?
Yeah, bless.
But doesn't Rasta do like a blessed one like this?
Yeah,
too?
the one in the yard.
Is that like this?
Yeah, man.
Or like this?
Some like that and some
Okay.
like this.
Can you do it with two people? Like, you do the same on your side? Or is that nothing? Okay. I swear I saw someone do that before. Yeah. But they, like these crazy birds here, what kind of bird is that? They look like a heron, kind of?
Garling.
Okay.
They eat a lot of jungle and fish.
Yeah.
They can weigh more half pound or quarter pound.
They're pretty
About
huge.
About a quarter pound.
Yeah.
I light down here, look for me to get folks.
Anyone got a lighter?
I don't think I brought one, no.
I have one. I have it, man.
Yay! All right. Lighter crew.
We're all in the one Titanic on the rock today. We are all in the one Titanic on the rock today. Blimmin' some nice movie. By Rasta Gin.
Harry bless!
Yeah. People don't want this. They don't want the ride. Come experience the raft ride in Rio Grande Valley. It's so nice.
It's pretty nice.
You see what's going on right now?
It's legal now. Such a different trip since we were first here, because you wouldn't even take it into town ever.
No man, I come by Rio Grande Valley, man.
No.
I have a spliff. I have my herb.
Uh-huh. People always asking you for ganji, and you say I don't smoke.
I don't smoke. I go her story. I go. Well, I don't smoke, brother. Have a nice day.
There's a wicked singer from Brazil in the 70s named Tim Maia, and he had a famous line which was, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't sniff, I just lie a little bit.
Just like Mokko.
That is a great line.
Yeah, that's a great line. Because Mokko saying don't drink when
She
someone
might.
wife then come and Mokko saying don't drinking, don't smoke. I ain't coming like no, then see Mokko's drinking and smoke. Oh, say oh fuck shit. But you know that's a lie.
Just a little lie.
Might be that split. They never say might be that split.
No. Because I'm usually working. And I don't usually smoke when I work, but we're sitting on a raft for 2 hours.
Otherwise,
So
you know,
I
you have to build up on Medi.
think I have time.
Yeah.
You got some grubba. Yeah.
Nice little code.
Yeah.
They might alone down there eating all the food.
Yeah, it's pretty good lifestyle if you're a cow living right here.
Drink water, healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them the cow the Rasta, I buy them. Are the pen? I was see them mother by top then.
The young one there.
They look good and fatty, man.
Oh yeah.
Hills, man.
Is this isn't part of the Blue Mountains anymore though? This is a
No,
different
this
areas.
is different here. Blue Mountain don't come over here.
You're on the other side of the Blue Mountain foothills. So the Blue Mountain foothills kind of divide Portland and St. Thomas.
But we come in on this man, the third stop.
Yeah.
The whole of everywhere we are look for now, we are there in a yard there. A bad Blue Mountain stop at the fountain.